Windows can't find the mapi32 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a guided solution to fix this critical library mismatch. I recommend the automated system scan for mapi32 to finish your setup in seconds. This is the mapi32, the messaging API, MAPI, client library. It provides unmanaged routines for mail-related orchestration, facilitating the data link between local email clients, like Outlook, and system messaging manifests. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This is a Windows system integrity error involving a core library. I suggest using the system file checker by running sfc/scan now in an administrator command prompt to let the system automatically heal files like mapi32.dll. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing mapi32 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since the restart didn't fix the network DLLs, let's run the reset commands to refresh the protocol stack. Open command prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type n.etsh space int space ip space reeset, then hit enter. Second, type n.etsh space winsock space reset, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, network protocols rely on a clean data path. This reset flushes corrupted socket entries and clears the cached routing manifests that often prevent these DLLs from communicating. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing mapi32DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the mapi32 environment. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got mapi32 working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.